be here.
Yes.
And I say he'll be a
yeah.
Already said this time around, I think say most of the TGMs Kumasi for mobile room yepa.
Sure.
And likely no me fan say singing among for the realm the likes of Paluta mo. And this time around Aspringo mo apa nei among for etime home. Oh they happen with your colleagues in the same thing. It be bit me happen to you now suffer you ye proper.
Yeah, I know you're part of the plan, but the plan is way bigger. Dream near say, baby, Burna Boy fat say local sound now, or they could do Grammys or fill it Tottenham Sports Stadium. That is the target. But yent me nko without being at the TGMs. Inti short term go near TGMs, but the dream is way bigger. I bomb say years to come, no, baby. Ben far local sound na o yusu felamo sound no e de ayene nyum na o de akwa could do that height no. Some of us will be able to take that sound, the local high life sound, the hip life sound, the rap, and then we take it there. Now ochine bi ye kan ya kase yenso ye free ahembo boa no he ya na high life e sound free ahemfi he ya na ya fa and then yenso ye de to wi ase nyina no
when you say dream na so ye pa Phrimpong and before say up there no bit me draw no. There are some kind of steps be at least or say will build it.
Sure.
So far, dear redness Ben why I say this time you know may target the world market. Dear steps will put you in place.
Yes. First no, baby and I mentioned that.
Then the name fan is why it different from other tracks are we say no.
Yeah, and then I make us say first no, na me focus in said that social media no because me very friendly with the socials no. But to see, I mean, who say there's a bigger market online. In to see us out here, and you wake up before I bed drop here. Started the challenge way before I ever bed drop you know. You call places could try videos into TikTok and kasa and you started promo no ho and I catch a fire. You there to your Facebook live, Instagram live. Into see I who say. Aside traditional markets now, I was see use socials. No, into what we are doing different is we are being more active on the socials and we are connecting with the fan base from all over the world. Like baby, what I say, yes, because targeting in your Ghana and Kwa, you see, they are the baby, yeah. What we are doing different now is we are using more of the socials. Aside being on the traditional media, and we are using more of the socials now.